Hello and welcome to SimplyLearnStuff. In this video, we will be looking at the alignment group. To demonstrate, we'll make the cell in A1 a bit bigger. The alignment group has top align, center align, as well as bottom align. It has align left, center, and align right. You can use this in combination with each other to create an alignment of text that suits your preference. You can also align the text diagonally by angling it counterclockwise, clockwise, using vertical text, or rotating text upwards or downwards. The Format Cell Alignment page allows you to create additional finer control and also allows a feature called Shrink to Fit. If your text is too big for the cell, Shrink to Fit will automatically reduce the size of the text so it always stays visible within the cell. You also have a feature called indentation, where if you increase the indentation or decrease the indentation, the position of the text will move within the cell. The alignment group also has a feature called wrap text. If the text within a cell is longer than the length of the actual cell, you can use the wrap text feature that will space the row downward automatically to try and keep the text visible within the cell. You also have an option called merging, where if you select multiple cells, it will merge those cells together. The various options is merge and center, which will merge the cells and any text therein will be aligned in the center. You can use merge across, which allows cells to be merged together as per a row only. Merge cells, which is the same as the merge and center function without centering the text. And unmerge, which will unmerge and split cells that is already merged. I trust you find this information useful, and remember to like and subscribe.